Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's find the list of full apps and enter the settings. And here in this general section, general list, we have to scroll to find the display option, so let's tap. Now we have to scroll down and localize the sleep option. Let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, which is 10 minutes, and also this option is currently applied. All you have to do in order to change the timeout is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 2 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here and also right here, which means that from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.